The GooseFX trading platform experience running on Solana ecosystem, plus an NFT trading and minting / exchange platform. Super cool. We're going to dive right into this. And guess what? This is going to be your chance to start looking out for a free mint for their Goose Egg NFT, which is going to give you perks on this platform. So that being said, I'm NFTIQ here today with my badass new shirt from Invasion Club Japan. Link in description, not affiliated. Just want to give a shout out to them. So here we are today. I got some really interesting alpha on a new VC-backed Solana startup with about 10 employees. They're looking super promising. They have a very strong beta platform, and it's a DeFi like trading platform for trading crypto, which I'm not going to get into too much, but it is also an NFT buying platform comparable to like Magic Eden or Solana or something like that. However, there are some unique characteristics about this platform that I want to discuss. So first of all, the first thing I want to mention is that there is a free mint essentially that's going to be happening through an email list. I was able to get onto the email list through some social media interaction that I had earlier today. But if you keep an eye on their Twitter for upcoming events, which I'll put the link in the description, and I'll try and retweet as many of those on my Twitter account as well. If you get in on one of those, they will, at the end of the event, most likely they'll be putting up a form where you can submit your Solana wallet ID and you can submit your email address so you can get their newsletter. And then when the time comes and they mint their NFT, you'll be able to get one of those called the Goose Egg. So that's going to be super cool. So actually, let's dive into the perks of the Goose Egg. And to do that, we really have to talk about what their platform is and all that. So let's move over to the computer now. Now, this is a beta application that's of their trading platform for crypto. However, I'm not going to dive into that too much. We're going to look actually at their NFT platform. And this is a combination of a launchpad plus a marketplace with some really unique features that are being discussed here in this Medium blog post for the team. So first thing is that there's a cross-platform collateralization with Nft Portfolios, which means that what you can do is you can actually purchase NFTs that are listed on any other Solana marketplace. So, sometimes you go to Magic Eden and the floor price is one value, and sometimes you go over to Solana and for the same NFT project, the floor price is a little different. Well, this team actually scans the entire blockchain and they're able to bridge all of those NFTs together into one place. And some alpha for you all today that I heard on the conversation I was on was that they're actually going to have lower transaction fees for those NFTs than the other platforms is their goal. So because they're VC backed, they have a lot of resources to invest into building a strong community, getting a lot of customers and delivering a lot of value to those customers. And this is just one example of that. Next thing that's cool about this is that they will offer Nft Fractionalized Ownership. So we've seen this through DAOs like HeadDAO and so on, where they buy a blue chip, and then if you're an owner of their little NFT project, then you're technically a fractionalized owner. This is actually going to be part of their platform itself. And so you will be able to own a portion of like an ape or any of these blue chip NFTs. That's going to be super cool. Next thing is the Nft Liquidity Provisioning, where users will be able to generate consistent returns for providing liquidity to synthetic NFT markets. So essentially what this is a liquidity pool for NFTs that is going to allow you to put like USD in or something like that. Don't quote me on this, but what I'm expecting is it's like a liquidity pool for crypto, but it's for an NFT marketplace, so that people can cash out with US dollars using the liquidity you're providing, and you're gaining interest on that fiat money that you're basically provisioning to the project. So that is a super cool feature, not for everybody. Not everyone's gonna be interested in that, but I think that could be very promising. Next thing is that they're gonna have synthetic NFTs, and you can think of this as issuing representative synthetic tokens to track entire NFT collection costs, the floor prices, and the most popular pieces across those multiple collections. So it's like you can purchase a synthetic NFT on their platform, and really you're investing in the entire collection rather than owning just one of them. And this is really a radical new concept that other marketplaces should have been doing a long time ago, honestly, where instead of purchasing one of the NFTs and taking on the liquidity risk of that single NFT, instead you're buying like a synthetic NFT that is representing a shared ownership in part of the collection. So this is a really cool concept. I think this could go a long way. And overall, I'm really interested in this marketplace. Last piece of alpha about their NFT marketplace that I want to share that I heard on this call just earlier today was that this new Goose Egg NFT that they're launching. Let's actually go over to that. They're launching this NFT called the Goose Egg. And like I said, you can get one of these by engaging with their social media and joining one of their events, and then following the link to their registration page and giving them your Solana wallet ID. Once you get one of these, there's going to be a small game that you can play once these mint. We don't know when yet, but when they mint, you'll be able to play this RPG. And after you will hold the egg for 30 days, play the RPG, and that will evolve you to tier 2. So you start with a tier 1 egg, and then you get to tier 2. And once you get to tier 2, then you're going to start earning their GooseFX crypto, which I'm not going to dive into their GooseFX crypto, but it's basically used on their crypto platform for a couple different things that I'm not going to dive into. But beyond the GooseFX crypto that you're going to be getting into your wallet by owning a tier 2 egg, you can also, this is a new alpha today that's not on this blog post, and maybe they won't actually do this, but this is what they're claiming, is that for a handful of the tier 2s, they're going to have like these ultra, maybe tier 3 or something, eggs that if you're holding one of these, then you can use their platform without any transaction fees. So you know how when you go onto Coinbase, or not Coinbase, when you go to OpenSea or you go to Solana or whatever, they're taking 2.5%, 3%, 4%, whatever of your NFT transactions when you buy and sell. Well, if you can get one of these like mega eggs, then that's going to be super cool. And I think what they're going to, then you're not paying transaction fees on any of your NFT trading on the Solana marketplace. So this is really, really good perk. And I think the way that you do this, based on the conversation that I heard today from the dev team, was that you're going to have to play their RPG, but you have to get all the way to the end, and they're going to make it challenging. Somehow, you're also going to have to be some of the first people to play it. So they're keeping this super secretive. They're a very strong team, so hopefully this isn't botted out and all that kind of stuff. But really, I think that for the right investor, even if you have to buy one of these like super eggs off the secondary marketplace or whatever, it could be like a really solid investment to save on those transaction fees. So I think that covers actually everything that I wanted to discuss. That really covers everything that I wanted to discuss about this NFT. And like I said, you need to follow their Twitter, follow my Twitter, and get the bell notifications on my videos so that you're getting this news as it comes out. Because literally, I was on this call like 2 hours ago today, and this is brand spanking new news. So you want to get in on this stuff early, hit the bell notification, hit the like button, hit the subscribe. With that, NFT IQ, and I will see you in the next video.